So there's two main rules. Severity matters as much as frequency, because AI's default approach is to count, and counting one very large account as the same as many small accounts that are very little compared to the grand scheme is not the right way of approaching it, right? So overweighing on count is what AI will typically tend to do. You want to balance count with severity or importance so that you can have a blended approach. So the prompt itself forbids averaging away outliers as well, so that you don't consolidate all around what are the biggest volumes or the biggest counts of issues that I'm encountering. And then the verbatim quotes actually allows you to be able to track back to say, this is exactly what the customer has been telling us. And this is why collecting call information, transcripts, and emails is important to be able to get the true voice of the customer.